In this video, I will show you how you can speed up your WordPress website, like without using any code or anything. This is my WordPress website, and I will show you all the method that I will go through to speed up. First step, what we need to do. First, we will install a cache plugin. Like it will help your website to reload faster whenever someone try to open it. So there are two cache plugins that you can use to make your website faster. One is Lightspeed Cache and another will be WP Rocket. But the difference in these two plugin are WP Rocket is paid plugin. You can't get it here. You need to search WP Rocket plugin. You need to buy it and then you can use it. Here now I am just going with Lightspeed Cache. Activate. Go on Lightspeed Cache. Here you can see page optimization. You can optimize all the pages using, like you can add CSS Manify, CSS Combine, and one more thing, keep a backup while you making these changes. It may sometimes cause issue if you play with this JS setting, JSS Manify, HTML setting. So you can minify all of your pages and also that it will load much more faster. And the second most important part, and the most important part of website to make it flow are the images. You need to use only optimized images. First thing, while uploading the image, keep it optimized, like compress it, then convert into WebP format, and then upload here. Then it will be already optimized images. If your images is not optimized, then what you can do, you can use some plugin that help you to optimize images like Imagify, Smush. You can select these plugin and then you can compress images and optimize it so that your website will be fast. And Lightspeed also give the option of image optimization, but if it you need a little setup, then you can optimize it, like you need to connect first Cloud CDN, then enable it, then you can able to optimize this images. Best one is like while uploading the images, keep it optimized. Like you can compress images and then convert into WebP. It will be mostly optimized. It will be 100 KB. It will be very much optimized. Now, after making these changes, like if you are still facing issue, your website is, these are some basic changes. We will go in more depth. What we need to do now, we need to check our website speed. So best thing is search on Google website speed test. It will open this page. Now here you need to add your website URL. It will analyze, it will take some time. Here mine is very much high because mine is very small website and I haven't used any theme. I am just creating my website custom. So important part for your website is the theme. Like when you are building WordPress website, to try to choose optimized theme, like not that much heavy theme. Simple theme, some of the premium theme that may provide this functionality. So here you can see I'm in my performance, everything is good, but here you can see images. Here you can see images size are greater, so we need to optimize it. Here it is showing which images you need to optimize, like convert into WebP, AVIF. Here it is saying use the cache plugin that we are using. It would not be easy. There's some CSS, unused file CSS, you can remove it. Then jQuery, like these are some, it is slowing down due to JavaScript. Okay, now here you can see it will provide all the detail why it is slow and what is the issue you are facing. So you can go one by one, define and try to resolve it. And the after theme, the main and one of the reason your website will be slow because of the hosting, where you have hosted your website. So try to use some premium hosting, and sometimes your website will be also slow because of too much things in it. So you can use a plugin that will clean your database and remove unnecessary comment things, spam folder, spam anything. That will also help you to increase the website speed. So you can also do that by using WP Optimize. It will help you to cache compressed images. It's like a clear database. It's similar to light speech cache, but you can try different type of plugin. And don't use not that much plugin. If you're using too much of plugin, that also slow your website. So keep these thing in mind. Try to use minimum things as possible. Then your website will be automatically good. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.